Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add extensions to your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let's get started. And the first step, launch the Google Chrome web browser, be it on your PC or laptop. And all you need to do, guys, here on your home screen is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select or hover your mouse over extensions. That is going to open up that menu here to the left. So you either may visit the Google Chrome Web Store to gain access to more extensions to download and install, or alternatively, you may click on Manage Extensions to add or to remove extensions from your Google Chrome web browser. So click on Manage Extensions here, and here you will see a list of all installed and running extensions for your Google Chrome web browser. To turn off the given extension, simply switch it off here or click on Remove to remove it entirely from your Google Chrome web browser. What you want to do, guys, is also head over to the Chrome Web Store by clicking on Chrome Web Store here to the left and simply browse through the Google Chrome Web Store to find extensions to install. You may use, for instance, the search bar here at the top to search for specific extensions under specific search terms or keywords, or use some of these categories here on the left panel, like for instance extensions in the art and design or entertainment niche or gaming niche, and so on and so forth. So let us go with an extension in the gaming niche. After that, pick the extension you would like to install, like, I don't know, that one here, for instance, left click on it. And to add it to your Google Chrome web browser, simply click on Add to Chrome here. Give Google Chrome the permission to add and to install the extension by clicking on Add Extension here. And that's basically it. Wait for the extension to be installed. And once that's done, you will see it here if you click on that icon in the top right corner, Extensions. And here will also be given the opportunity to pin the given extension so that you may gain access to it by clicking on its icon here in your browser, or to remove the given extension by clicking on these three dots here and by heading over to the extensions options. Here will be given the opportunity to remove the given extension from your Chrome web browser. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.